Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, fellow lecturers. For this video, I'm going to talk about effect for bauxite minerals. Before we'll start, let's me introduce our members this group. First, Aisyah binti Yaakob is me. Next, Nur Zahira binti Rapani. The second presenter. Third will be held by Muhammad Akil Daniel bin Muhammad Rosli. And last will be handled by Farzalmi bin Johari. Now, let's know the first part of my talk. This topic, according Jonathan Edward, in article about bauxite mining, pollution, Pahang, drinking water 1. Proof practice in bauxite mining in Pahang have exposed the people in the affected areas to various health threats, say scientists and academics studying issues. So now, the regulated cost bauxite mining in Pahang had caused severe environmental pollution and rice contents over the health of those living in affected areas. So now, I want to explain about bauxite. What is bauxite? Bauxite is a sedimentary rock with relatively high aluminium and gallium contents. Also, contains only 30 to 45% aluminium. Let's move to the next part, which is of bauxite, machinery of machine, next ceramic production industry, third is packaging industry, and lastly construction of building. Okay, we'll move to the next part, which standard operating procedures of mining exploitation bauxite in Pahang. According to the Ministry Energy and Natural Resources, there are few standard operating resources that believes on the activity is planning for right application for minings. Second, management at bauxite mining site. And lastly, aspect of safety and health of for employees.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Zahira and I will explain about what we wrote in the next paragraph. So, in the next paragraph, we wrote about effects that occur as a result of mining activities in Kuantan, Pahang, these were our main ideas in this paper. The first effect is air pollution, this problem is caused by particles of dust that scatter in the atmosphere and has the potential to cause irritation to the eyes, nose, and throat. The second effect is health impact that can giving threat to human with noise, heat, humidity, and ergonomic problems. The third effect is food contamination, where the source of fresh food is contained with chemical material. And the last effect is water pollution, where the river water is contained with chemical and it is made change to the color of the water. In each paragraph of these ideas, we also explain about standard operating procedure SOP that actually should be followed by the miners so that this problem does not happen.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. My name is Akil Daniel bin Muhammad Rosli and my message number is A19HP0022. For my part, I will present about comment and solution. For comment, firstly is bauxite mining brings harm for both human and nature. For example, dust that was created by mining process will disturb human vision and our respiratory process. So our quality of health will be dropped. As for nature, their habitats will be destroyed from extensive land clearing. Next, the operation of bauxite mining in Pahang are not managed properly. They put the life of residents near that area in danger by letting all of the hazards scatter around them. For solution, higher leader must choose a suitable place for bauxite mining, which is far away from residential area to keep them safe from having any problem that was created by bauxite mining. And lastly, managers should provide ways to prevent their work from expose any more danger for both human and nature. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
From the discussion, we can conclude that there is a lot of negative effect to humans and natures that causes by bauxite mining activities. The negative effects are air pollution, health impact, food contamination, and water pollution. All of these things can be prevented if there are a standard operating procedure set. One of the solutions that we can take is environmental monitoring and community awareness and engagement can be used, such as the authorities must monitor the bauxite mining activities carried out and impose appropriate action. That's all from us. Thank you.